Did you know your brain is lying to you right now about what you're hearing? There's something called the McGurk effect that proves your eyes control your ears more than you think. Watch this. When someone says ba ba ba, but their lips move like they're saying ga ga ga, your brain creates a completely fake sound. You'll actually hear da da da, a word that doesn't exist in the audio. This happens because your visual cortex hijacks your hearing. Your brain sees those lip movements and literally changes what you think you're hearing. It's not your ears playing tricks, it's your eyes rewriting reality. This is why dubbed movies feel so weird and unnatural. Your brain notices the mismatch between lip movements and sounds, creating that uncanny feeling something's off. Even more wild, if you read someone's lips while listening to them speak, you'll hear completely different words than if you just close your eyes. Your visual system is constantly editing your audio experience without you knowing it. Your senses aren't separate systems. They're working together to create your reality.